Hello, good morning. So on today's training, we are going to cover the basics of setting up a new client inside GoHighLevel. So for new clients, it is normally considered as a sub account. A sub account, if you are familiar with running Facebook ads, it's the same as an ad account. Whereas the business manager is our agency profile for GoHighLevel, and then the ad accounts are the sub accounts or the client accounts for GoHighLevel. So to start with, once you log in into your GoHighLevel account, you are going to be directed to your agency profile, which is this one. So this is the agency dashboard. Now, the first step into creating a new account for a new client is go to your sub accounts. In here, you will see all your previous clients that you have worked with or currently working with. And on the top right corner, you're going to click on Add Sub Account. So this will prompt GoHighLevel to give you snapshots. Snapshots is the reporting or the dashboard section for a specific sub account. GoHighLevel provides a variety of those. You can also have your own snapshots, or you can actually import snapshots from other companies as well or influencers. So for this example, we are going to set up one for, let's say, a real estate company as a client. So go to select and continue. You will then be directed to either search for the business address if you know it on hand. If not, let's say you wanted to add manually, go ahead and click on the button Add Account Manually. Then you will be directed into to fill out the details for the said company, which is here. The first section is the main contact information. So meaning it would be either the CEO or CEO of the company, or just your liaison for that specific company. So just for example, I'm going to add my name as the contact person, company email. And the general info is now about the business. So let's say, for example, this is AGM agency demo account. Complete address for the company, the 1200 Starting Road, Suite 215A, city is Largo, country, oops, United States, state, Florida, zip code is 33771. Phone number is, I don't actually remember the phone number. Let's just use a dummy phone number. So 727-777-1234. Website is agmagency.com. Time zone is Eastern time. So it's going to be -5 and save. And that's how you go ahead and create a sub account. So once the sub account has been created, again, these are going to be your account details, general information about the company. You can also set up the social media profiles for the company, such as the Facebook URL, Google+, LinkedIn, Foursquare, Twitter, Yelp, or any other pertinent information regarding social media channels of the company. The notes and tasks here are related to the things that are being currently worked on the account. So this is going to be, you can actually have this optional, turn off, turn off. You can use WordPress if, let's say, the company where there's a WordPress account, they want to migrate everything inside GoHighLevel, you can actually import those WordPress websites into GoHighLevel. This is currently turned off. This feature is only for agency users. So if, let's say, for example, I myself has access to the agency profile, I can go and enable or disable this for the client, but the client will actually not be able to see this. Now, there is a limit onto email usage, which is the 50 emails per day or 1,500 or 15,500 per day will be unlocked once we increase the limit. See, it's now 15,000. If I increase the limit further, the system will do so. Now you can have this both enabled. So this is for the email validation. And this is still for the email validation for SMTP if in case you want to use SendGrid or any other providers afterwards. Now, to go into the next steps on working with an agency profile, we'll cover that in the next video. As of right now, this is how to create a new sub account for a new client. See you in the next one.